Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. Today I am doing some sort of straight pour. I actually do not know what to call it, so if you watch this video all the way through and you know what to call this kind of pour, please leave it in the comments below. I would really appreciate that. I have been experimenting with mixing colors, and I like the way these colors go together. I'm not blending them, I'm allowing them to blend in the cup and in the painting. So I'm using cerulean blue, ultramarine violet, cobalt violet hue, tinted white, viridian green, green gold, gold, and sap green. Nice spring colors. So it's a long layered pour, and here we go. I call this a back and forth pour. Some people call it a feather pour, but for me it does not look like feathers, it looks like caterpillars. I really don't have too much to say about this one. I do like the way that the colors come out of the cups in that pattern, but it's too thick for me to leave it. So for now, I'm stretching it out and creating the painting from that. But I am going to work with this more and see if I can get the colors to stay a little more compact. So this painting to me looks like spring coming alive on the cellular level, just below the threshold of complex organisms. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you in the next video.